Okay, so here is my portrait and my background that I've glued together. And now what I want to do is I want to flip this over and I want to put a frame of glue on this. And you remember, you don't want to get too close to the edge because you don't want all the glue to like spew out once we turn it over. And then I'm going to put a big letter X in the middle. Then I'm taking a black sheet of paper. This is what I'm going to use as my mat, what I'm mounting it on. So this is my type of frame. And you want to line it up so you have black showing on every side of the portrait. You don't want to line it up like this. You don't want to line it up crooked. You don't want to line it up way down here. You want to try to get a black frame all the way around. See, I can see at the top, the two sides, and the bottom. Once I feel it's in a good spot, press it down, and then start to rub down your corners, your edges. It might take a little bit for it to stick, just because this paper is kind of thick. So press down. All right, once you feel like it's pretty good, then we need to tag our work to show the viewer who made it, okay? So I have little tags, and on this tag, I know it's kind of hard to see, let me turn off the light. It says name, you write your name, grade, 2nd grade, classroom teacher, art teacher, and then the title. So, for me, the title, I want it to be called, and we're all going to do the same one, Realistic Self-Portrait. And I'll spell that on the board for you if you don't know how to spell it. Okay, so you fill all this out. So let me fill mine out really quick. I'm Miss Sauer. I'm going to pretend I'm in 2nd grade. I'm going to pretend Miss Thomas is my teacher. Art teacher is Sauer. Then what you want to do here is you want to just take this, flip it over. I'm just going to put a little bit of glue, actually right down here at the bottom. Like that. Maybe a little more. I'm going to take this tag, I'm going to glue it down here, and it's going to hang off the bottom. That's fine. You don't want the tag to cover up any of your artwork. So we put it here at the bottom. Usually we put it at the lower right-hand corner because that's just what makes sense for our eyes a little bit better when our name tag is down here. So now we can present this to the school. We can put this out in the hallway, and they're going to see a nice, pretty frame, and they're going to see who made it and what grade. And this is called preparing your work for presentation.